Hello and welcome to Saucy Cat. My name is Connor and summer is quickly approaching, so today I have a recipe that is perfect for keeping you cool on a nice hot summer day. Let's kick back and enjoy some mint sweet tea. Let's dive in. Get out a medium pot and set it on the stove at medium high. Add in water and let that warm up almost to a simmer. You want the water to start forming tiny bubbles at the bottom, but not to the point where it's boiling. It should only take about 10 minutes. Once the water is nice and hot, take it off the heat and add in tea bags. I'm using black tea for this, and since we're making a whole pitcher of tea rather than a single glass, we're gonna need a lot of tea bags for this one, around 16. Let that steep for 15 minutes. Now let's add some sweet to this tea. Remove the tea bags and pour in some white sugar. Stir until it's all dissolved. Now bust out a pitcher and add in cold water. Pour in the tea along with the secret ingredient, a couple leaves of fresh mint. Put that in the fridge overnight to let those flavors pop, and I'll see you tomorrow. Now that our tea is nice and chilled, let's grab a glass of ice and enjoy this dish. I always enjoyed a nice glass of sweet tea growing up. This tea is very nice and refreshing and really helps cool you down on a hot summer day. Plus our mint gives it a nice air of freshness to it. Well, that is going to do it for today. I want to thank you so much for watching. Let me know what are some of your favorite summer drinks in the comments down below. Like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time on Saucy Cat. Hello and welcome to Saucy Cat. My name is Connor, and summer is quickly approaching, and my phone went out.